So our first problem is find the angle between the planes 3x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 2z is equal to 5. So here we have a formula to find the angle between the planes. So a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. If these are equations of two planes, then theta is the angle between them, then cos theta is equal to modulus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is the formula. So here substitute the values. This is a1 b1 c1, this is a2 b2 c2. So that is 3 into 2 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 5 into minus 2 divided by the root of 3 square plus minus 4 square plus 5 square under root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So that is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 10 divided by this is root 50, this is root 9. 10 minus 10 0. So what is the angle? Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Angle between the given planes is 90 degrees. Next problem is find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane which is parallel to y-axis and cuts off intercepts 2, 3 on x-axis, z-axis respectively. So here x-intercept is given as 2, x-intercept that is small a is 2, and y-intercept small b. So here equation of plane. So this plane is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means it will never touch the y-axis. So that means intercept is y-intercept is 0 since plane is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. And z-intercept. Z-intercept is that is small c, that is given as 3. Now equation of plane in intercept form. Intercept form is, what is the formula? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. This is x by 2 plus y by 0 plus z by 3 is equal to 1. So if you take LCM, this is equal to, so what is the answer here? So if you simplify this, take LCM and simplify, you will get the answer. Our next problem is, if the plane cuts off intercepts -6, 2, 4 on the coordinate axis, then find the length of perpendicular from origin to the plane. So first intercepts are given. X intercept is, that is small a is equal to -6, y intercept is, that is 2, and z intercept is 4. Now equation of plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. That is x by -6 plus y by 2 plus z by 4 is equal to 1. Now take LCM. So what is LCM here? So LCM is 12. Okay, -6, this is -2, -2x plus 6y plus 3z is equal to 1. -2x plus 6y plus 3z is equal to 12. That is the equation of plane. Now we need length of perpendicular from origin. So length of perpendicular is, let us assume t, that is modulus -2 into 0 plus 6 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divided by under root of -2 square 6 square 3 square. So this is the nothing but the distance from origin to the plane. So this is 0, that is 12 by 2 square is 4 plus 36 40 plus 9, that is 49. 12 by under root 49 is 7. So that is the distance from origin to the plane. Our next problem is find the equation of the plane which is parallel to xy plane, and cuts off intercepts okay. So our required plane is parallel to xy plane. So xy plane, normal to xy plane is what? Z axis. Now dr's direction ratios of z axis are 0 comma 0 comma 1. So these will be the dr's of normal to our required plane, also 0 comma 0 comma 1. So here, so our required plane is, let us assume ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, our required plane equation. So substitute the dr's. This is 0 plus 0 plus z plus d is equal to 0. Now given that cuts off intercept of length 3, so now convert this to intercept form. This is minus z is equal to d, z by minus d is equal to 1. So this is intercept form. So given z intercept is z intercept is equal to 3, that is minus d is equal to 3, implies d is equal to minus 3. So equation of plane is, so this is the plane, that is substitute d value, z minus 3 is equal to 0 is the required plane. Find the equation of the plane which bisects the angle between the planes 3x minus 6y plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0, 4x minus 12y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. So equation of plane which bisects the angle. So directly, so we have a formula here, 3x minus 6y plus 2z plus 5 modulus divided by root of 3 square plus minus 6 square plus 2 square is equal to mod 4x minus 12y plus 3z minus 3 divided by root of 4 square plus minus 12 square plus 3 square. So modulus is there. If you remove modulus, you put plus or minus. This is 3x minus 6y plus 2z plus 5 divided by, this is 9 plus 36, 45 plus 4, root 49. This is equal to plus or minus 4x minus 12y plus 3z minus 3 divided by root of 16 plus 144, 160 plus 9, 169. So that is equal to 3x minus 6y plus 2z plus 5 by 7 is equal to plus or minus 4x minus 12y plus 3z minus 3 by 13. So plus or minus is there. So you will get two plane equations. So for one for acute angle bisector, another one for obtuse angle bisector. Okay. Next problem. Find the equation of the plane passing through the point minus 1 comma 3 comma 2 and perpendicular to the planes x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5, 3x plus 3y plus z is equal to 0. So our required plane equation is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 having dr's of normal a comma b comma c. So here x1, y1, z1 is given as minus 1, 3, 2. So that is a into x plus 1 plus b into y minus 3 plus c into z minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 1. Now 1 is perpendicular to the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5. If two planes are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0 if two planes are perpendicular. This is the condition. So apply here. So A1, B1, C1 are ABC. A2, B2, C2 are here. These are A2, B2, C2. That is A into 1 plus 2 into B plus 3 into C is equal to 0. A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to 0. That is the condition. Let us take it as 2. Similarly, equation 1 is perpendicular to the another plane. Equation is given 3x plus 3y plus z is equal to 0. Again apply the formula 3a plus 3b plus c is equal to 0. Now solve 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. Circular method I am using. ABC. This is 2, 3, 1, 2. This is 3, 1, 3, 3. Cross multiplication. A by 2 minus 9. B by 9 minus 1. C by 3 minus 6. A is equal to minus 7 by minus 3, that is 7 by 3. B is equal to, so this is C is there, these are DRs, so that is equal to A by minus 7 is equal to B by 8 is equal to C by minus 3. These are the DRs. Directly you can substitute them in equation 1. So this is equation 1. So if you substitute, minus 7 into x plus 1 plus 8 into y minus 3 minus 3 into z minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation of plane. If you simplify this, minus 7x plus 8y minus 3z minus 7 minus 24 plus 6 is equal to 0. That is minus 7x plus 8y minus 3z 31. This is minus 25 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the plane. So our next problem is find the distance between the planes x plus 2y plus 3z plus 7 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y plus 6z plus 7 is equal to 0. So generally distance between parallel planes we have to find. So here first plane x plus 2y plus 3z plus 7 is equal to 0. So multiply by 2, that is 2x plus 4y plus 6z plus 14 is equal to 0. This is the first plane, and second plane is 2x plus 4y plus 6z plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the second plane. Now distance between the planes is between parallel planes is equal to, formula is d1 minus d2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So here apply the formula 14 minus 7 by root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square, that is 7 by 4 plus 16, 20 plus 36, that is equal to root 56 is the required distance between the planes. So our next problem is find the equation of the plane passing through (1, 2, 3) and parallel to the plane parallel to the plane 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 0. So equation of parallel plane. So if ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is a plane, equation of parallel plane is, so parallel planes differ by only constant term, so it will be ax plus by plus cz plus some k is equal to 0 is the equation of the plane. So parallel planes differ by only constant. So our required plane will be 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus k is equal to 0. So given that it passes through the point 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now substitute in the plane equation, that is 2 into 1 2, 3 2 is 6, 4 3 is 12 plus k is equal to 0. 2 plus 6 8, 8 minus 12 is minus 4, that is k is equal to 4. Now substitute k value here. So our equation of plane is 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the plane. So our next problem is find the equation of plane containing the line of intersection of planes 2x minus y is equal to 0, y minus 3z is equal to 0, and perpendicular to the plane 4x plus 5y minus 3z minus 8 is equal to 0. So here given pi 1, plane 1 is pi 1, assume is 2x minus y is equal to 0, and plane 2, that is pi 2, is y minus 3z is equal to 0. Now point of equation of plane passing through this line of intersection of these two will be pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. Required plane will be, so that is 2x minus y plus lambda into y minus 3z is equal to 0. This is 2x lambda minus 1 into y minus 3 lambda z is equal to 0. Let this be 1, and 1 is perpendicular to the plane 4x plus 5y minus 3z minus 8 is equal to 0. If two planes are perpendicular, we already know the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Apply the condition here. 2 into 4 plus lambda minus 1 into 5 plus minus 3 lambda into, here c2 is minus 3. Okay, these are the drs of the planes. This is 8 plus 5 lambda minus 5, this is plus 9 lambda is equal to 0. This is 14 lambda is equal to minus 3, lambda is equal to minus 3 by 14. Substitute lambda value in the equation 1, so we will get the equation of plane, that is from 1 implies 2x plus minus 3 by 14 minus 1 into y minus 3 into minus 3 by 14 z is equal to 0, that is 28x, this is minus 17y, this is 9z is equal to 0 is the required equation of the plane.